Okay, so guys, I'm sharing with you a simple hack so that, for example, if you're uncomfortable with wearing your face masks, okay, because it's when you go out, it's they're already compulsory to wear. So, for example, if you're always wearing your face mask and the back of your ears are always, are now hurting and sore, this will help alleviate that condition. Or if you're wearing a helmet, you're a bike rider, and the straps do a number on your ears, or they get off your ears. The face straps are the face mask straps get off your ear when you put on your helmet. Okay, this will definitely solve that problem. So what do you need to do? You just need your face mask and a paper clip. So what do you need to do? I'm pretty sure you already know how this goes. So you just put one end of the paper clip. Sometimes you have to like open the paper clip a little bit so that the strap will the garter will go in, and then you put it on one side, and there you go. So when you put on your face mask, you can then maneuver this and but uh, put this through on the other side. So now you already got a good, you know, uh, solution to that problem. So it's no longer the face mask is no longer anchored to your ears, which causes the ear soreness. So let's simulate it with this water bottle. So you simulate it. So for example, you put it on your head. Of course, there will be a different way to when it's your head. So you're likely going to like, okay, there you go. So this is your face, and then your ears are no longer hurting because it's no longer this part here is no longer putting constant pressure on the back of your ears. So again, this one is like this. As you can see, okay, it now offers a more sturdy location for your a more sturdier attachment of your face mask. So when you put on your helmet, it's not just going to be, gonna get removed because your ear like folded or something as you put on your helmet. So that's it, guys. I hope you like this hack, and just follow and subscribe away. Click the button below. Bye.